Facebook Messenger is an app for chatting, voice, and video calls and sharing media with Facebook friends and phone contacts on phone, tablets, and computers. First of all, you need to go ahead and download the Messenger application from the Google Play Store. Simply open Google Play Store and search for Messenger application. Go ahead and install it on your device. And once it is installed, tap on Open in order to open it and log into your account. So you'll get the chat section first. Here, your ongoing conversations are displayed. You can go ahead and tap on a chat to continue. And friends who are online and suggested contacts are shown over there. Like Instagram stories, friend post, short videos or images, which you can see in the stories section, which is between chats and notifications. You can also make voice or video calls. If you go ahead and open the chat of a specific person that you want to call, go ahead and tap on in the top of the screen, which will let you have a voice call with that person. You can also go ahead and initiate a video call with that person. Likewise, if you tap on the pencil icon over here, you can go ahead and start a new chat with the people that you want to. Simply enter their name, search for their profile, and then send them a message and wait for your friend to answer. And if you want to send any media files, go ahead and open the conversation, tap on the media icon or from the bottom left corner of your screen, allow all the photos and videos to be accessed, and select the photo and send it to that specific person you want to. And that's how you can easily send photos or videos to that person. Likewise, you can go ahead, tap on this plus icon over here, and send them AI messages, enable Meta AI in the conversation, send them files, play games with them, or even share your location. Likewise, you can go ahead and send them stickers that you want to. You can also set emoji in your conversation. And you can tap on the eye icon in the top right corner, change the quick reaction to whatever you want. And there you'll get the option of word effect as well. And if you scroll all the way down, you can go ahead and block this person if you no longer want to contact them. You can even restrict if you don't want to block them, and you can report them or delete the chat conversation. So talking about reactions, you can react to the messages with the emojis, long press the photo or the conversation, and then react to them, and even reply to a specific message that you want. And if you long press the chat, you can go ahead and tap on delete, then tap on delete again to confirm, and delete the entire conversation with that specific person. Now, if you go ahead and tap on this menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen, then go to settings. And here you'll get the option of active status, and you can easily turn it off from here. Here you'll also get other different settings and privacy options, like your avatar, privacy and safety, notification and sound, various options that you can go for. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.